Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Zed on Windows. To install Zed, go to a browser and type Zed download, press enter, click on the first link. So this opens the official Zed download page. So here click on download now under Windows. So now the download has started. The exe file is around 96 MB. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, click on the folders icon to open the exe in Windows Explorer. Here we need to run the installer now. So double click on the exe to run. On the setup wizard, select the option I accept the agreement and click on next. Keep the default location for installation. Click on next. Check the box, create a desktop icon. Click on next. So the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. Once the installation is complete, keep the Launch Zed option checked and click on Finish. This will launch Zed. The Zed editor is open now, so you'll get this page where you can select the theme and other details. You can keep it as default and click on Finish Setup. I will select the theme and click on Finish Setup. Okay, so now the setup for Zed is complete. We can also launch Zed from the desktop icon or from Start menu. And you can also verify if the installation of Zed was successful via the command prompt. For that, press Windows R, type CMD, click on Enter. Here type Zed version, Enter. So this will give Zed along with the version and where it was installed. So this confirms that Zed was installed successfully. These are the steps you need to follow to download and install Zed on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.